Hi all, Maring Ana is back and this is another camera review and test. But today, hindi muna tayo sa mga iPhones. Dun muna tayo sa mga requested comments din na nakikita natin sa YouTube, which is Android phone. We have here Samsung S22 Ultra. Ayan. And mabibili nyo to sa mga recommended natin shops sa Green Hills, which is kay Ate Malin. Ang price range po ng ating S22 Ultra sa recommended shop natin is 20,000 to 25,000. Again, if by any chance na gusto nyo bumili or, gusto nyo magtanong sa kanya, meron po silang page na pwede nyong i-message. Ayan, nasa description box lang po natin yan. Alright? So, let's try first to check the settings and share some quick specification with this Samsung S22 Ultra. So, this Samsung S22 Ultra was released way back on year 2022. At sa kanyang display, meron siyang 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED na meron 20 Hz refresh rate. So, sa chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. At sa OS naman mga ka-J-Vlog, meron siyang Android 12, One UI 6.1. Meron ding 4 variants itong si S22 Ultra. Meron siyang 128GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB, 12GB RAM, 512GB, 12GB RAM, and yung pinakamataas na storage nila, which is 1TB, 12GB RAM. So, merong 7 colors din itong si S22 Ultra natin. Meron siyang Phantom Black, White, Burgundy, Green, Graphite, Red, Sky Blue, and Bora Purple. Sa camera naman mga ka-J-Vlog, ang main camera niya is 108 megapixel, ang telephoto niya is 10 megapixel, at ang ultra-wide camera niya is 12 megapixel. Meron din tong periscope at telephoto at yun ay 10 megapixel din. At sa video recording naman is cover ito hanggang 8K resolution na meron 24 FPS. Sa selfie camera naman mga ka-J-Vlog, meron siyang 40 megapixel at yung video nito using selfie camera is up until 4K na resolution na merong 30 to 60 FPS. Sa body build naman ni S22 Ultra, yung front and back niya is a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus at aluminum frame na din po siya. By the way mga ka-J-Vlog, itong si S22 Ultra pala natin is 5G na po ito. At ang kanyang battery pala is 5,000 mAh. So yun lang yung ating quick specification when it comes sa ating S22 Ultra. So as you can see in here, ito yung ating S22 Ultra. So check naman natin yung camera na mabibigay sa atin itong phone. Sa main camera niya, meron tayong 0.5, 1 times zoom, 3 times zoom, and also 10 times zoom in. We also have a option to zoom in this picture up until 100 times. So, yan yung feature sa photo. We also have portrait in here, which you can zoom in up until 3 times zoom. Video, you can zoom this one up until 10. No, 20 pala. Ayan o, may option ka to zoom in the video up until 20. Sa more naman, nandito yung Pro. Sa more naman, nandito yung Pro Video, Night, Food, Panorama, Super Slow-Mo, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse, Portrait Video, Director's View, and Single Time. Okay, so front-facing camera naman, we have here, of course, wala ka namang option to zoom in the front-facing camera. We also have portrait, video, and then same feature na minention natin earlier sa main camera. So, let's try to capture some samples using this S22 Ultra. So, let's try first yung kanyang selfie camera. So, ayan. So, let's try portrait also. Ayan. So, video sample of S22 Ultra. So, andito ako ngayon sa aming kwarto. So, please bear with me since di pa ako naliligo. This is my setup right there. That's my coffee. So, next naman, let's try the main camera of this phone. So, first is video muna tayo. Ayan. So, video sample of Samsung S22 Ultra, currently using the main camera. Ayan yung times 6 nilang zoom, 1, 3, and also yung 10. As you can see right there. Ooh. Ayan yung times 10. Ayan, ang ganda din. And you also have an option to flip the camera din, ha? Ayan, o. Hold on. Let's try to flip the camera. Ang ganda nung ano. Bam. So, ayan yung tinry nating flip yung camera natin. So, earlier we were using the main camera, but right now I'm using the front-facing camera. So, let's try again flipping the camera back sa main camera. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. 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 Hold on. There you go. So, yun yung ating sample sa ating S22 sa video. So, let's try then using pictures naman sa ating S22 Ultra. So, let's try to use some subjects in here. Hold on. Let's just use this instead. The DJI. Because I don't have a subject right now. Nasa labas kasi yung mga gamit ko. You also have an option to adjust the brightness of this camera. Sa iPhone, di ba, upwards, downwards yung option. But this one is left to right side. Ayan, so. Just capture this 1 times 1. Hold on. I need it to be focused. How about this? Ay. So, ito yung times 1, 3, and then 10. So, let's try capturing picture. Ayan. So, yan yung 0.5 ay 0.6 niya. As you can see. Ganda yung quality ng main camera niya. Ganda ng main camera nito, ah. Maganda yung main camera ng S22 Ultra. And then sa upper pala, sa upper, meron ka ditong settings. You also have an option dito. Marami kang option dyan. And also here, you have an option to turn on, of course. And turn off the flash. You also have here full. Ito yung ratio ng camera. And also, we have here timer. Ayan. Ito, motion photo. Yung para sa iPhone, yun yung live. Parang something. And then this one yung filter nila. So we have here cool, warm, lowly, frosty, blossom, ivory, faded, soft, kiss me. Ayan. Marami sila actually. Option when it comes naman sa filters. Sorry. Sample of Samsung S22 Ultra, currently using the main camera. Ayan yung times 6 nilang zoom, 1, 3, and also yung 10. As you can see right there. Ooh. Ayan yung times 10. Ayan, ang ganda din. And you also have an option to flip the camera din, ha. Ayan o, hold on. Let's try to flip the camera. Ang ganda nung ano. Bam. So, ayan yung tinry natin flip yung camera natin. So, earlier we were using the main camera, but right now I'm using the front-facing camera. So, let's try again flipping the camera back sa main camera. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. 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 on. There you go. So, video sample of S22 Ultra. So, andito ako ngayon sa aming kwarto. So, please bear with me since di pa ako naliligo. This is my setup right there. That's my coffee. Ayan. Let's go ahead and proceed sa sharing you guys my thoughts with this 22 Ultra 5G. First is, maganda naman talaga si S22 when it comes sa camera niya. Though, since I'm a iPhone user, kung ikukumpara ko kasi yung quality ng camera ni Samsung sa amount ng camera, sa amount niya which is 20,000 to 25,000. So, ang mabibili mo na iPhone nun is nasa Pro Max na mga Pro Max version na For me, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung camera ni iPhone. Again, that is my own opinion. Hindi ko po ito nilalahat ha. At based lang po ito sa experience ko or sa nakita ko kay Samsung. Kasi yun naman talaga. Though, if you're going to ask me sa main camera niya na 108 megapixel, that is actually good. Kasi ang ganda ng quality ng camera niya. Kasi, syempre, yung mga iPhone na nasa main camera niya. So, ang pinakamataas na main camera ni iPhone is 48 megapixel. So, while si Samsung naman is 108 megapixel. And as I can see in here, sa sample ko nga dito, na tinake ko earlier, ang ganda talaga ng quality ng camera niya. So, let me just lower down the brightness of this phone. Ayan, ang ganda ng quality ng main camera niya. Kung sa camera tayo magbe-base, sa main camera magbe-base, yes, I can recommend this phone. Of course, pag sa mga Android users dyan and wala ding tiwala kay iPhone, I got you guys. Mas mare-recommend ko po sa inyo si S22 Ultra. Though hindi siya ganun affordable or pag naka-budget yung phone nyo, I suggest to go instead the iPhone since maraming magagandang quality si iPhone na camera na meron silang affordable price. Unlike dito kay Samsung, medyo pricey kasi talaga yung yung price ni Samsung Pag sinabi mo kasing Samsung ay medyo pricey yan. When it comes sa camera, kailangan mataas na yung high-end na camera mo na ma-avail nyo sa kanila before kayo magkaroon ng high-quality camera. So far naman, I have 5 things that I love with this Samsung S22 Ultra. First, of course, yung kanyang display. As you can see in here, ang ganda naman ng display ni Samsung at never din niya tayong binego sa kanyang display. Siguro, hindi lang talaga ako fan ng edge yung dito ng Samsung. Hindi lang talaga ako fan ng ganon since wala ka kasi malalagay na tempered glass dito. So, though pwede mo naman siyang lagyan ng hydrogel, pero since fan pa rin talaga ako ng tempered glass. Yeah. So, next thing is, of course, yung battery niya, 5,000 mAh. That is actually fine. And then, the third thing is yung camera, 108 megapixel compare sa mga iPhone na merong pinakamataas is 48 megapixel sa main camera, ha. That is fine. Though mataas din naman yung selfie camera ni Samsung, pero kung makikita nyo kasi yung quality talaga ng selfie camera ni Samsung compare sa iPhone, malaki talaga yung difference nila. Kahit nasabihin natin 40 megapixel yung selfie camera ni Samsung, kasi you have an option to filter your own picture naman kay Samsung. Kay iPhone kasi wala kang option to smooth your skin, something like that, to slender your face, ganon. Kung naglagyan ka pa niya ng kilay or maglagay ng contour sa face mo, wala kasing option na ganon si iPhone. Ang option lang kay iPhone na pinaglalaban ng iba is yung filter niya na meron talaga si iPhone. May filter din naman si iPhone though, pero hindi naman ako masyadong gumagamit ng filter ni iPhone. Na-adjust ko lang talaga yung contrast and also yung brightness ng phone ko para magkaroon ako ng magandang quality ng mga pictures. So, fourth thing that I love with this Samsung S22 Ultra, of course, kanyang in-display fingerprint scanner. Ayan. So, ewan ko, yung iba kasi ayaw nila yung fingerprint scanner na nasa gilid. For us to avoid yung aksidente mong mape-press instead of power button para i-lock yung phone mo or yung volume. Mas maganda talaga na naka-in-display na yung mga Android phones right now. And the last thing that I love with this one is yung kanyang chipset. So, sa chipset kasi ni Samsung is okay na okay pa rin siya pag gaming. Though hindi ko pa siya natatry on my end, but meron namang separate video doon si J-Vlog when it comes sa game test. Pero as far as I know kasi, since maganda yung chipset na may offer ni S22 Ultra, okay na okay siya for ML, COD, something like that. Pero hindi ko pa kasi talaga makakapagbigay ng conclusion when it comes sa game test. Pero for me, maganda din yung offer nilang chipset. Wala naman akong ayaw dito kay S22 Ultra aside sa screen niya. Though, yun nga, AMOLED naman siya, yes. But, hindi kasi ako fan ng mga edgy phone. Hindi ako fan ng mga edgy phone. So, that's it. That is just my quick feedback when it comes dito sa ating S22 Ultra. Again, kung tinatanong nyo ako, Maring Ana, marirecommend mo ba itong si S22 Ultra ngayon 2025? Yes, if you're a fan of Android phone, I can consider this S22 Ultra to be purchased this year, 2025. When it comes kasi sa camera niya, maganda naman yung mabibigay na quality ni S22 Ultra. Aside from that, magaganda din yung mga videos and photo samples na nakuha ko sa kanya. Pwede nyo din siyang gamitin for vlogging, for reels, and also for your TikTok. Kung gusto nyo din mag-start ng, alam nyo yung trendy ngayon sa day in my life, yes, you can use this phone. But, if you're going to compare, siyempre, yung camera ng front-facing camera niya to iPhone, I'll go with iPhone talaga. So, yun lang mga ka-J-Vlog. Please, again, gusto ko lang pong ilinaw sa inyo na I'm not a pro. I'm just sharing my own feedback when it comes sa camera ng mga units na mga nire-review po natin. So, I guess this is the end of our video. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, yours.